Good morning, good morning, good morning, you lovely lot. It is Wednesday, my midweek day off. Oh, it's been a lovely night. I slept quite well. I did have a really odd dream, though, that actually made me wake up feeling quite scared. I know it doesn't sound scary and you'll probably laugh, but in the middle of the night, it does feel scary. Twice I dreamt that the circus was trying to take me away. The first time I was being dragged off the edge of my bed by something, and in my brain it was taking me to the circus. And I heard horses in the middle of the night in my dream, and I went out to check out the window to see why there was so many clip-clopping, and it was a travelling circus, and they weren't clip-clopping, they were elephants, which don't walk like horses or sound like horses. But yeah, the elephants were coming. And they were all going to take me away. Now, elephants are my favourite animal, but they were coming to take me to the circus. Go figure. I actually was quite scared when I woke up. I was. Anyway, it's another beautiful day out there. I didn't think it was going to be a beautiful day when I woke up, but after having a bit of a lay-in, it's now 9:15 and it's sunny again. So, yes, Kenzie and I are going to go for a walk. So I've left it up to him to decide whether or not we do a woodland walk, a field walk, or a riverside canal type walk. And that will determine which place we choose to go. I did think we'd go and try a National Trust place because some of them are now open, but you have to book tickets just to even go into most of them. And the place I was thinking of going to had woodland, fields and a lake, and unfortunately it's they closed the ticket booking, so I think at 10 o'clock when I was looking last night we couldn't book for today. So yes, I'll let him decide what he would like to do in regards to the type of walk or the scenery, and then we'll poodle off at some point and go and do that. But for now I'm going to drink my tea, and I think I might even have a banana because I'm still hungry. That breakfast didn't quite cut it. Right, talk to you in a minute. Kenzie has told me he does not want to go on a very long walk, and he does not want to drive anywhere. So we're just going to go and do a village route in the fields around the outside of the village. So we're going to pop over the motorway bridge and scoot round the back and then come back under the motorway bridge. And that will be his walk for today. And then I think I'll probably do some puzzles and a bit of dusting. And I'm cooking burritos for dinner, so I can get on with that. Boy of mine is such a great conversationalist on these walks. Oh dear. Kenzie! It's lovely to talk to you. Really enjoying chatting with you on our walk. Oh, I'm glad you feel the same way. Sheep. It's a path, but I don't know really where that one goes. I don't think there's a loop, that one. I think that's just like one of those we'd have to do, and then Daddy'd have to come and find us. Yes, Mum. Yeah, I thoroughly agree with you. That way. Very old, buried car with a vinyl top. Is that a vinyl top? Is that how old it is? A Citroen. The footpath seems to be quite overgrown. Mind the brambles. Great for the wildlife, not so good for the walkers. That's the village church over there. See, that's a bit frustrating. It is a public right of way and they have tied it all up rather than fixing the gate or putting in a stile. So we just climb over them. We were being watched by sheep. They no longer seem interested in us. Hello, sheep. Hi. Meh. Meh. You must speak a different dialect of sheep because my sheep is spot on. Meh. Now we have to play Where's the Exit? Somewhere along the hedgerow. Oh, over there.
I'm very thirsty.
Okay, well, we're going to stop at the pub and we'll sit and have a drink outside and an ice cream. How about that?
Like on benches, you look like us sitting on benches.
No, we're okay to now.
Yeah.
You can now. That was at the height of the pandemic.
Yeah, it's still going up.
Yeah, but in this particular area it's very low, so I'm less stressed. You'll have a high tolerance to what?
For alcohol, because I'm tall.
Oh, okay. And you're solid. That'll help as well. Your body mass index is why I'm a lightweight, although to be honest, I've chunked out quite a bit since my pre-children days when I used to actually drink. Now I don't. So how far do you think we've walked?
Don't know.
It's not a very long one, was it?
Mm-mm.
Do you want to take a guess and I'll check on the thing?
A mile and a bit.
A mile and a bit, right. I'll check. You were right, just over a mile and a bit. This is pretty. Many, many, many flowers. Good for the bees and the butterflies and the bugs.
Microwaves are waves that are much bigger, and they are about how big the grill is, just slightly bigger than the grill.
So the grill protects us from frazzled brain.
Well, it's more like roasted phase.
Okay.
What do you call a small person waving at you?
A small person waving at you. It's going to be a sizist, a microwave. A sizist joke, is it? What are you making, Brendy Butts?
Crumbles.
Teeny weeny little crumbles.
Yes.
If you need more apples, there's a load in my bedroom fruit bowl. Because I like apples.
When can we get nice apples?
When you go shopping and choose them. Because I don't know what you call nice apples.
They're just, you know, I like the slightly more green ones that have a nice sharp piece.
I don't like green ones because they have thick skin. Like Granny Smith's are like, blech.
Aren't those cooking apples?
No, they're somewhere between the two. I need smaller hands. How did I get children that are so huge?
Ow.
Push towards me.
It's more, I need to get my burger.
Okay, now push towards me. Ah! Okay, you in? Okay, the other one. Oh, you got a finger missing. Other one.
Yeah, that's good. Oh, my hand's sweating.
Yep. Right, there you go, boy. Time to wash off pterodactyl poo. Bath time, boys. I have literally picked up this puzzle to do it. How long has Imo been waiting for me to notice what else is in here? I am thinking they might have melted because they've been in my playroom. But I've just opened this box and look. Oh my goodness, yes, it is very slightly melted. Because they've been in there. Oh my goodness. Nice surprise, Imo. Cool. We may have to drink the chocolate. Look at that. Freddo's completely melted. I'm going to go and put those in the fridge and they can become a lump again. And then we can each have one of those. But I'm going to just drink Freddo as we speak. Thanks! I actually adore melted chocolate. Brendan has taken a pack of buttons. Kenzie's nabbed the Turkish Delight before his dad sees it, and the other ones have gone in the fridge. And I'm going to have the floppy Freddo.
So moist, you bite into it, like... Yeah.
I hear you chumping. What'd you say to Imo and Izzy?
Uncle.
Uncle. Is it all stuck around your teeth now? Melted jelly, melted chocolate. That was a nice surprise, wasn't it?
Should have checked.
I should have probably checked. I was so hot and sticky, I've had a shower and put pyjamas on. Right. Look. Yum. Melted chocolate. That was such an awesome surprise. Thank you, Imo. Thank you very much. But I have been keeping it in a sauna. This room gets so hot. Yum. Good job it wasn't ice cream, eh? That is test number what?
2.
So how many of these tests are you going to have to eat before you find the perfect one?
Well, this one works, so the other
Oh,
two
good,
that's
okay.
in the oven
They're okay.
should be okay, yeah. You go
Excellent.
with
I was waiting for you to go, no, this one isn't quite right. I need to do another test. Good?
Yeah, but pop could be a bit.
What was that? Top could be a bit more crumbly.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but the apples are soft on the inside and it's hot. And they
Nice.
haven't burned.
Lovely.
If you poke it down the side
Yeah.
and you pour.
Ow! I
What?
accidentally put my leg on a queen bee.
Again?
No, this is the same queen bee. It still hurts.
Eat apple crumble. That'll, temporarily make you forget that you're thingied.
Do you know what? I've been stung by a bee the other day and it didn't hurt that much. I have literally just... Queen bees are vicious.
It's a hefty chonker.
It's a bigger bee, isn't it? That's what it is. Could you find the thing that is probably not very happy right now?
Well, it's probably very dead.
I know, it flew over there
But
somewhere.
it's gonna be very dead.
Oh, you're my leg. There's not even a lump come up, but it flipping hurts. How are you fixing the problem?
Apple crumble.
You brought me apple crumble.
Miniature apple crumble.
Ow. Thank you.
Or do with, evaporated milk.
Everything's better when it's small, right? That's how French food works.
That's how, rich people food works.
Mm-hmm.
Pay more for less of it. Doesn't look like it burnt to the side.
No, it's very nice, but I would like more.
That's why you have dakan.
Thanks, because I do
Crikey.
like a lot of
Plus it
milk.
sizzles.
Sorry?
It sizzles, listen.
It does sizzle.
When you expose the evaporated milk to the hot parts of the thingy, it goes...
This is distracting me from the pain. Thank you.
For one bite at a time.
Yeah.
Does it taste roughly enough like an apple crumble?
My only request, because I have a sweet tooth, is that I feel your crumble needs more sugar in it.
Oh, okay, that probably helps it brown as well.
Yes, but I have no... That's just purely me being a fusspot. It's absolutely beautiful.
Yeah, good. I didn't know how much sugar was meant to be in a crumble, and I was like, good enough.
Yeah. It's gorgeous. Thank you. Do you want to take your can with you?
No, not particularly.
A little bit more. A little bit more. Thanks.
No crumble, madame.
Then I need to go and look for a half-dead bee. Thanks. Ow. I hurt now. Yum. I do love it when Brendan gets onto a cooking, what do you call it? He cooks and alters things to perfection. Also gets him out of bed. Oh, bee.
Oh, it's very nice. Oh, that is a green bee.
It's pretty big, isn't it? Yeah, I don't think it's
That's
going to...
one hefty... Actually, that might be a drone.
Is that a drone, is it? Well, you've already stung me once. Does that mean you can sting me again, or...?
No, that might be a queen. That's a hand. It's, not paper.
It can't fly now, so I'm assuming the fact it stung me once. It's got huge, great big pincers on it, though.
Where? Got a hornet instead, then.
Baby, look at its front teeth.
No, Christmas is meant to be front teeth.
It's definitely beefy. Yeah, if you can put it outside, that would be awesome.
Get on the paper. Get on the paper.
But look at those teeth. Look at your eyes. You really are like something from hell.
Do you know what it is?
No, but look at its eyes and its pincers.
He looks angry.
Well, my leg's not very happy about it, I can assure you.
Though you consume nectar. Or maybe it's a, might be a...
What is that?
Might be a sultry bee. Abdomen.
Bees don't usually have big teeth though, do they?
They don't have big teeth. They have some kind of teeth that they open. And
Mandibles or whatever they're called, aren't they? Especially wood ones that like eat wood, like the solitary. Are they all masonry bees? Or
I'm gonna poke it.
don't poke it.
I'm gonna poke it.
Could it be a masonry? I don't think those are bees' eyes, are they? Where's your bee book? Go get me your bee book, please.
It's like upstairs. It might be easier just use Google.
Okay.
Maybe
he's just stunned and as displeased as I am. It's a leaf cutter bee, hence the huge teeth. But it's definitely stung me. Stung me or bit me, one of the two.
Oh, there's a bumblebee up there. Look at that chunky.
Let's go remove some bees. Chili-licious. Put that in the oven to finish cooking. Yum yum, burritos for dinner tonight. Burritos are ready. Lee's just getting in the shower, or just having a shower. And then we can eat.
Love.
What are you boys playing?
Waiting for super hot.
That's not a game, waiting for food.
Hot.
Super hot.
Super hot.
Super hot.
Super hot.
Isn't it meant to be a VR thing?
There is a VR version.
Alright. Everybody's super full up. And bloated. And rolling around going, oh, that was so nice. We did have 2 quite large burritos, which is more than any human needs. Right. I'm going to finish the vlog here. I'm going to crack on with this lovely puzzle that Imo sent me from Imo and Izzy Blogs. Lee's looking forward to his bit of chocolate. Right, pigeons. Get a pigeon attack. And then tomorrow I have Thomas, Teddy and Toby. We can see now that's going to get very confusing very quickly. I'm just going to have to number them, I think. I think we will go and spend some time up at Forest School tomorrow because they're quite energetic boys, all of them. And I do think it will do them some good to get out and be physical. I do. Right, I'll see you all tomorrow. Thank you very much for watching.